Hi guys, so today is the day that I finally do it after 8 years. You guys, can you see how big like my turban is? That's because that's my hair and it's so hard, and you know what, I can't anymore. My hair cannot control my life and decisions and outfits I choose to wear. So yeah, I'm going there today. I didn't get the chance to go to ShopRite the other day when I went to my dentist. So I'll be going today to ShopRite or Spa first because I want to get like a particular relaxer, and then from there I'll be going to the salon. I think I'll also get like a pedicure as well because I've not had one in a while, and why in a new year. So what else is happening? Yeah, I think that's all that's happening today. I'm supposed to get a couple of things, but I'll just carry you guys along. I don't know how long it will take for them to relax my hair, but yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you. Hey guys, I don't know if this is the one I'm supposed to get because it says touch up kits and I'm so confused. To be honest, I can't find anything here, right? I can't find anything here that suggests what I want. If you guys can hear me, so maybe I'll just go to the salon and then use what they have. Hopefully it's among the things that, you know, as recommended. So guys, wasn't available at Spa in the, you know, the small, if you can see anything. I'm highly disappointed. They didn't have anything I wanted to get. Nothing. It had nothing. Okay, they had some things, but I saw, oh my god, there's one Nivea cream that I saw. Aisha Harun, there's one influencer I follow. She's like a Canada based whatever. I saw it and I was like, oh, coming back to get you. So yeah, I think that's it. I'll just head to the salon. I hope what they have there, they said with the relaxer is 10,000, without the relaxer is 5,000. So the relaxer I was going to get was probably like 4,000 or 3,000. So I don't mind. I'm too tired to keep looking for something good, and I'm not on the island, so I can't go to Ebano, which I'm sure they will have. And I know I'm not driving 2 hours just to get a relaxer. No, it's not that deep. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get there.
Dance with me under the diamonds. See me like breath in the cold.
Don't chat shit with me. My hair is relaxed. Don't chat shit with me, period. Oh my god, you guys. you know guys. Okay, yeah, so apparently if your hair is like, I think 15 to 20 inches long, it's like it's a different amount. It's not 10,000. Yeah, I paid 20,000 there, and that is inclusive of like the relaxing and the relaxer and everything involved. Sure. I have to go now. Let me try and reverse out of this situation, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm back home, and you know I had to put my hair in like a silk scarf. Like I was saying, you can't chat shit to me. anyways, you guys, fun fact, my husband has never seen me in my relaxed hair state before. So, and he traveled, and he's not going to be back home till like Friday. So I video called him when I go back home just now, and he was like, hey, he didn't believe that it was my hair. He was like, swear. I was like, what, lying? I don't know why I'm so excited. Why am I so excited? I don't know, because my hair is just giving me bad bitch vibes. Anywho, so I'm seated here because I have some unboxing to do. You know what, guys? I need to put on the fan because the AC hasn't peaked yet and I'm sweating. So I'll put on the fan and then just probably plug you into like I think my mic is here. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. So let me do this. Hopefully sound is better. Yeah, you should be connected. I'm just going to pause this video and be sure that you're connected. You guys, so I'm going with this one that my brother-in-law gave me. I think it's sharper than this other one. I'm not sure. let me check. So as I was saying, I can't wait for him to get back and like see me in my natural form. Well, relaxed hair, but still, I don't care. So yeah, I got a package from Tika4. If you guys know Tika4, then you know that it's about to be a skincare package. I should be unboxing this thing for TikTok, but I have other plans for TikTok, and I thought I'll be able to get like some more products so that it'll be more, because this is just like a few products. So when those products come, I'll then like just show up my skincare. What just happened? I have no idea what. So I got this one. This is like a Dr. T. Is this how you unbox? Yeah, I think so. This one I got is Dr. Teal's body lotion. So I've been meaning to get like a body lotion because I have really dry skin, and I decided to go with this one and try it out. Then, you know, to complement it, I bought like a body oil because moisturizers don't cut it for my skin. My skin is dry. It is dry. So yeah, I have to like use this. Yeah, so this one, I got this one. Okay, let me say the prices. I got this one from Tika4 for like what's the price of this one? I got it for Dr. Teal. I don't know. The prices are not here. Oops. Anyways, I'll put the prices on the screen. But yeah, I got this one. I think everything here was about like 20 something thousand. I got Black Girl sunscreen. You guys, I've been going about without sunscreen. I have been going about my life without sunscreen. Who am I? Who do I think I am? So yeah, I bought this one, Black Girl, because like I like how like it no white residue and all that. It was between this and there was another one, something Mishka. So I got this one. Then I got Dr. Teal's scrub. So I have Dr. Teal's body wash, but it's not vitamin C. I think it's the aloe vera one. I don't even know, but yeah. So I got this one. Can you guys see? I got this, then this, then this. Let me do like this YouTubers. Well, I'm a YouTuber, so anyways, yeah, this and this one. So yeah, that's what I got. That's all. Like 20 something thousand there, like 29k or 26k. I'm just like, you know what, anything for this skin. I realized that I had like a life-changing experience in 2020. It's going to be 3 years soon, and since then I totally just gave up on myself. I gave up on like my body. I gave up on like doing things for myself. Before I used to be like super into like taking care of myself, and like, you know, I don't know, I was just very conscious. But like after I lost my dad, I just started to say, what's the point? I mean, we're all going to die someday, so like, why the hell should I give a fuck? Why the hell should I hustle? Although I still hustled because my sugar daddy was gone. But anyways, yeah, so it was really depressing. I think I've been depressed. And like I've thought about, or I have thought it was something else, to be honest, but I think I've not properly grieved his loss. It was really sad. I'm not supposed to cry. This is supposed to be bad bitch energy. But yeah, I just stopped looking after myself, to be very honest. I stopped looking after myself, and yeah, I'm beginning to feel more like myself. I'm beginning to stop, using death as an excuse as to why I get shitty days or why I have shitty attitudes sometimes. well, it is an excuse. Maybe no, I don't know. I don't really know these things, but I've had a really great support system. I've had like my husband, my mom, my brothers, my family, my friends. God, my friends. So I used to be happy rallier. Now I don't even know what I am. But it'll be 3 years in like 5 months or 6 months, and I'm just, the other day my brother sent me a clip of I and my dad like together. I think it was one of the last times we were together, and I saw myself then and I couldn't even remember who I was then. And anyways, all this long 5 minutes, 6 minutes talk is to tell you guys that I'm trying to like get better at doing things for myself. And he was my best friend. He was the love of my life, and he was my best friend. And it was really sudden. It happened like we spoke the day before, and the next day it was I didn't prepare. And I think if I didn't have faith, or if I didn't believe in God, or if I wasn't a religious person, I would call myself religious, maybe it would have been worse. Because I think it's easy to say that everything happens for a reason if you believe that there is something else other than what is in this world. So I just believe and pray that we would see one day, and I want to like make him proud. I don't know if he can see me or see us here, but like I want to consciously start doing things that he'll be proud of. Just before he died, I was telling him about how I wanted to quit architecture, and he was like, why? And I was like, Daddy, they don't pay enough. They don't pay us enough. And he was like, well, I mean, if you don't have the passion for it, I understand that. But if it's because of money, you don't necessarily do things because of money, because then you would forget the reason why you started in the first place. So something along the lines of, he was a very, very smart, the most intelligent person I've ever met in my life. And yeah, since then I've quit architecture. I've quit I've resigned from 2 different jobs. I'm taking on different things, and I had a quarter life crisis. Still having a quarter life crisis, but I think I'm beginning to get clarity on a lot of things, and I'm beginning to understand that life is what we make of it. So thank you so much for coming to my TED. Thank you so much for coming to my TED Talk, and thank you for being my therapist for today. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys the skincare and just tell you guys that I'm trying to, do better for myself. I'm trying to do better for my body and my skin and my health and my soul, to be honest, to be more aware. So guys, yeah, girl is out. So I think I'll just stop this video. This video was supposed to be a self-care day, but those people took my time, and then the main office, that's the guys that relax my hair, Make Me Beauty. So I think I said it in the car. I thought it was going to be 10,000 I'll pay, but I ended up paying 20,000 naira. And I bought an argan oil cream, something, and it was so I paid a total of 21,200 there. And they used the Mizani. Is it Milani or Mizani relaxer? So it was the relaxer plus the application, everything was 20,000 naira. And they have a main, they're in Surulere on Body Thomas, and they have a main place, but they had I don't know if it's a light issue, but when I got there the security directed me to the academy, and when I got to the academy, to be honest, I was just like, what the hell is this? So, and I spent about 3 hours there, and I wanted to do pedicure and facials, but it wasn't looking like I could do anything there. So I was like, you know what, it's either I come back when the other places now is back to functional, is that right English, or I go to what's the name of this place? I go to Mama Tega. I go to Mama Tega. But the thing I like about these guys is that they're open on Sundays, so I might try it on Sunday. And so I was supposed to film like self-care day, you know, self-care, you know, skincare and hair care, and like, you know, pedicure and facials. But pedicure and facials did not happen today. So, and I want this vlog to come out tomorrow, so I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you aren't. Don't forget to like and leave a comment and say a prayer, you know, for my late dad, if you don't mind. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. To be honest, I don't know, I feel like something else is supposed to happen. So in the course of me editing this video, I'll know if this is gonna be the last clip in this vlog. This is a vlog, or I have some other things to put in it. It will just all depend on
Dance with me under the diamonds.
I don't know, I'm already rambling. I can't remember what I was trying to say. So guys,
Put me here in the silence.
I'm gonna see you later, okay?
Kiss me silver and gold.
Bye. Mwah. You guys, quick one. I just realized that I didn't tell you guys how this smells, and it smells amazing.